How to log in Microsoft account in SKLauncher full tutorial. Want to use SKLauncher with your Microsoft account to play Minecraft Java Edition with built-in mod packs and mod loaders. In this video, I am going to teach you exactly how to log in with your Microsoft account in SKLauncher so you can start playing instantly with mod support. SKLauncher is a legitimate third-party Minecraft launcher that integrates directly with Microsoft Authentication. You can use your existing Minecraft Java Edition license to play through SKLauncher with all the same features plus built-in mod support. Step 1. Download and install SKLauncher. Go to skmedics.pl in your browser. Click Download and select the version for your operating system. Windows and Mac are both supported. Run the installer and follow the installation prompts. Step 2. Open SKLauncher after installation. Double-click the SKLauncher icon on your desktop or in your Applications folder. Step 3. Look at the login screen. You will see a button that says Login with Microsoft. Click on it. Step 4. Your default web browser automatically opens and takes you to the official Microsoft sign-in page. This is a legitimate Microsoft login page, not a phishing site. The URL should show login.microsoft.com or similar. Step 5. Enter the email address of the Microsoft account that owns Minecraft Java Edition. Type your email and click Next. Step 6. Enter your password when prompted. Make sure you are using the correct account that has already purchased Minecraft Java Edition. Step 7. Complete any additional verification if prompted. Microsoft may ask for two-factor authentication or other security checks. Complete these using your phone or Authenticator app. Step 8. You will see a screen asking to approve the Ray Login app. This is the official Microsoft Azure application that handles the authentication process. Click Approve or Accept. Step 9. After approving Ray Login, you will be redirected to a local page that says something like you can now close this window or authentication successful. Close your browser tab. Step 10. Go back to SKLauncher. It should now show your Microsoft account name and indicate that you are signed in. Step 11. You can now launch Minecraft Java Edition through SKLauncher. Choose from the available mod packs, mod loaders like Fabric or Forge, or launch Vanilla Minecraft. Step 12. When you click play, the game launches using your Microsoft account authentication. You will be able to join any online mode-enabled servers and play with your Microsoft account. Important things to know. SKLauncher is a completely legitimate launcher that uses official Microsoft OAuth authentication. Your credentials are never stored by SKLauncher. The authentication happens through Microsoft's official servers. You must have purchased Minecraft Java Edition at least once to use Microsoft Login. The account must have signed into the official Minecraft launcher at least once previously. If you do not own Minecraft Java Edition, you can use SKLauncher's offline mode with any username, but you can only join servers with online mode disabled. The Ray Login app in your Microsoft account is normal and secure. It is how SKLauncher authenticates with Microsoft. If you ever want to revoke SKLauncher's access, you can go to Microsoft Account Settings, find Manage Applications, find Ray Login, and remove it. This disconnects SKLauncher from your Microsoft account. Pro tip: if you are having issues logging in, make sure you are using the correct Microsoft account that owns Minecraft Java Edition. If you have multiple accounts, it is easy to sign in with the wrong one. Also, check that Xbox Live services are not down, as Minecraft authentication uses Xbox Live infrastructure. If the login still fails, restart SKLauncher and try again. If it continues to fail, check your internet connection and firewall settings. So to recap, download and install SKLauncher from skmedics.pl. Open SKLauncher, click Login with Microsoft. Sign in with your Microsoft account on the official login page. Approve the Ray Login app when prompted, close the browser, and your account is now connected to SKLauncher. If this tutorial helped you log into SKLauncher, hit the like button and subscribe for more Minecraft launcher guides. And drop a comment below telling me which mod pack you are going to play first. See you in the next one.